It's been 2 days जब से मैंने रिकॉर्ड नहीं किया है एंड दोज 2 days वर हार्ड. आई हैव गिवन दिस टास्क टू माई सेल्फ कि अगले 3 साल लगभग 1000 दिन मुझे रोज़ वीडियोस निकालना है. इवेंचुअली आई विजन आई हैव दिस विजन कि आई विल बिल्ड अ मीडिया एम्पायर, बट that's a long term vision. Short term vision is to have 1000 days of consistency to build discipline. जैसे मैंने अपने पिछले वीडियोस में भी कहा है कि मुसाशी मियामोटो 16th century Japanese swords fighter, ही एंड इन जनरल zen wisdom में भी 1000 दिन की बात की जाती है जहाँ पे it takes 1000 days to build discipline and it takes 10,000 days to build mastery over something. So that 10,000 days, that roughly 27 years, that's a long time, that's your whole life. But yes, the next 1000 days, next 3 years, I have given it to myself to build discipline for this project. And yeah, so मैंने ऑलरेडी 3 वीडियोस रिकॉर्ड किए हैं फॉर दिस प्रोजेक्ट. उसके बाद 2 दिन का गैप था, सैटरडे संडे, टुडे इज़ मंडे. एंड ऑनेस्टली दोज 2 days वर हार्ड क्योंकि जस्ट अ मिनट, I'll put an alarm so that I'll put a timer so that I don't exceed 30-minute window, right? Otherwise it gets too long. There you go. Sorry. So लास्ट 2 days वर हार्ड इन द सेंस कि मैंने अपने आप को एक टारगेट दिया है टू रिकॉर्ड माई सेल्फ ईच डे एंड आई डिड नॉट डू इट फॉर 2 days. ऑफकोर्स मैंने अभी अभी स्टार्ट किया है एंड कोई भी वेंचर जो विच आई हैव अंडरटुक इन द पास्ट, विच आई हैव अंडरटेकन इन द पास्ट, उसको मैंने बहुत कंसिस्टेंटली 1 महीने से ज़्यादा नहीं किया है. और ये तो एक 3 साल का प्रोजेक्ट है. और बस 3 साल का एक प्रोजेक्ट नहीं है यार, ये एक लाइफ ऑल्टरिंग चीज़ है मेरे लिए. टू इनकलकेट डिसिप्लिन विद इन माई सेल्फ एंड along this journey so many things will change. I see myself being a completely different person. Along this journey I will be undertaking a lot of reading. I do have a lot of books behind me as well and किताबें पढ़ना है, लिखना है. अपना ये एक ऑनलाइन वेंचर है जिसको मैं बिल्ड करने की बात करता हूँ, ये करना है. इवेंचुअली व्हाट आई सी माई सेल्फ डूइंग इज समथिंग इंडिपेंडेंट जहाँ पे द कोर ऑफ माई वर्क रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड रीडिंग, राइटिंग एंड शेयरिंग नॉलेज. That's the most simple I can put into. And उस regard में, and yes, along the way I will also hone my speaking skills, I will also hone my presentation skill, I will hone my recording, my editing skills, so on and so forth. And आज मैं एक चीज़ अभी थोड़ी देर पहले एक वीडियो देख रहा था जहाँ पे द स्पीकर tells about 3 superpowers that we all have. We have internet, we have social media, and we have AI, right? So internet gives you the leverage कि you can learn anything, and the education is no longer centralized to universities or colleges or schools. Whatever you want, whatever skill you want to have in your portfolio, that you can learn. And that too चूँकि you will be learning in a focused manner, so you can learn faster, you can learn cheaper, right? And yeah, so that's pretty much about the first thing, that is the internet. Second thing is social media. Social media gives you the advantage to build your own audience. यहाँ पे no longer the audience is tied to certain institution जहाँ पे मीडिया हाउसेज और रिकॉर्ड लेबल हैं जिनके पास पहले ये लेवरेज था. नाउ इट सोशल मीडिया गिवन दैट लेवरेज टू ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस. right? So Sam Altman, जो OpenAI के CEO है, he also speaks of seeing single person $1 billion businesses very soon using AI, right? So that's the third point, AI. And as of now, I have not researched much about it. I have not inculcated any of it into this project. But once this gets bigger, थोड़ा लेट्स से 1 1.5 साल 2 साल के बाद जब ये थोड़ा ट्रैक्शन गेन करने लगेगा मेरा प्रोजेक्ट एंड थोड़ा काम स्ट्रीमलाइन हो जाएगा, देन आई विल डेफिनेटली इनकलकेट एआई, क्योंकि दैट दैट गिव्स यू द लेवरेज टू स्ट्रीमलाइन थिंग्स, टू ऑटोमेट थिंग्स, जहाँ पे आई वोंट बी डूइंग एंड टू एंड थिंग्स डेली, जो कि जो पूरा पाइपलाइन है उसके कुछ कुछ जो सेगमेंट्स हैं, कुछ कुछ चंक्स हैं, वो अगर ऑटोमेट हो सकते हैं यूजिंग एआई, तो अगर मैं उसको टाइम सेव कर सकता हूँ, दैट टाइम आई कैन इन्वेस्ट इन समथिंग एल्स, राइट? सो इनकलकेटिंग एआई इज द थर्ड पार्ट दैट आई विल बी डूइंग once I am once I have given considerable time into this project. बट यस, ये जो 3 पिलर हैं इनके बारे में मैं उस वीडियो में देख रहा था. एंड या सो आज मंडे है, एज आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू दैट आई वर्क इन आई वर्क इन अ नाइट शिफ्ट, जहाँ पे संडे मंडे इज़ ऑफ. सो yesterday I had a friend over. I live in Gurgaon, right? So I had a friend over, not at my place, but I went to meet him in Haus Khas. It's a uptown area in Delhi, and वहाँ पे things happen, you know, which I'm not very proud of. I The thing is, I'm 30 and I don't have enough financial independence. I don't have financial right, financial independence at the age of 30, to the point that I can treat my friends, right? So I have this old friend. I had met him Rishikesh, और कल हम हमारी काफ़ी समय बाद मुलाकात हुई दिल्ली में, हौस खास में. एज आई टोल्ड यू, इट्स अ बीट एरिया, एंड हम वहाँ पे 2 अलग अलग क्लब्स में गए. हर जगह का ऑलमोस्ट 5-5 6 6 हज़ार का बिल आया. एंड आई एम नॉट वेरी प्राउड ऑफ द फैक्ट दैट आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू ट्रीट हिम वेल. एंड maybe that's a superficial thing to say, but it speaks of a deeper truth. Deeper truth is, during my 20s I was not able to build financial discipline. I was not able to build discipline in any aspect of my life, right? जिसके बारे में मैंने स्टार्टिंग में बात की कि this project that I have undertook for next 3 years at the very least, उसका जो मेन पर्पस है दैट इज़ टू इनकलकेट डिसिप्लिन, राइट? ज़ेन विजडम में 1000 दिन को वो डिसिप्लिन से एसोसिएट किया जाता है कि टेक्स एटलीस्ट 1000 days, रफली 3 years टू बिल्ड डिसिप्लिन. डिसिप्लिन इन ऑल एस्पेक्ट्स ऑफ माई लाइफ. आज जो एक मैं दूसरा वीडियो देख रहा था, यहाँ पे 4 चीज़ों की बात की जाती है: 1 प्रोजेक्ट, 1 बुक, 1 मेडिटेशन एंड 1 फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. सो अगेन वो अलग अलग बात, अलग अलग एस्पेक्ट्स हैं, बट मेन थिंग इज़ अबाउट इनकलकेटिंग डिसिप्लिन, ट्रीटिंग योर टाइम एज नॉट करेंसी टू स्पेंड, बट रादर एज इन्वेस्टमेंट कैपिटल, राइट? सो उस चीज़ को यूज़ करके आई हैव ऑलरेडी अंडरटुक दिस प्रोजेक्ट. I've already started reading books because this project, sharing knowledge, this the core tenet of this is reading and writing and sharing knowledge. So that requires a lot of intensive reading. So 1 project, 1 book, 1 meditation. So उसका अपना अपना इंटरप्रिटेशन हो सकता है. The way I see it is, और जैसा वीडियो में बताया गया कि wherever you are, being absolutely present in the moment, like you are walking outside in the street and you are observant of the surroundings, or let's say in the weekend you are it's a lazy afternoon and you are cooking something or you're doing dishes and you feel the water on your hand, something like that, right? हर किसी का अपना इंटरप्रिटेशन हो सकता है, दैट्स हाउ आई सी इट. मेडिटेशन ऑफ कोर्स, वैसे भी जो ट्रेडिशनल कन्वेंशनल जो डेफिनेशन होती है कि आप आंख बंद करके बैठे हैं एंड यू मेडिटेट, दैट्स अ गुड वे टू पीपल डू दैट एज वेल, राइट? सो दैट्स दैट. एंड फोर्थ इज ऑफ कोर्स फिजिकल एक्टिविटी. सोक्रेट्स जो ग्रीक फिलोसफर हुए हैं, he speaks highly of physical strength. It's a shame for a young person to let go of this time and not be able to see the full strength his body is capable of. So regarding that, I have set up a nice home gym जिसको again मैं last week I got sick and उसके बाद I did not work out, I did not eat well, and yesterday with my friend in Hoskas I drank a lot. So yeah, it's been a pretty rough 10 to 12 days, last 10 to 12 days. एंड उसी के रिगार्डिंग जो मेरा 2 दिन का ब्रेक हो गया वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए. सो उसके बाद फाइनली आई वॉज थिंकिंग कि किस बारे में बात करनी है, एंड देन आई वॉज लाइक कि नहीं, फर्स्ट लेट मी स्टार्ट रिकॉर्डिंग एंड देन as things come in my mind I'll speak about them honestly. So that is that. And honestly there were other personal things as well that I'm was struggling. I was so the last few years that I have spent in my 20s, I am not very let's say proud of, in the sense that I could have invested that time, invested that money in constructive things. So and I could have built financial independence, I could have built so much, I could have built something online, something digital, so that I do not have to rely on my job, right? So जो वीडियो में भी देख रहा था उसमें ये बात की जाती है कि this mindset shift of employee and employer. So employee gets assigned the task, right? If I am an employee, I get assigned the task and I complete the task. Whereas if I am the employer, I assign the task to someone else or to myself. So this mindset shift. So although I'm currently working a job, but this mindset that I'm trying to imbibe within me is that I am a builder and I'm creating a life where I have the freedom of tweaking task and inserting creativity into it. So I choose the task and assign the task to myself, and I am self-reliant, and I do not have to trade my waking hours in exchange for money, because that is something which is mentally hurting me from few days. इसके बारे में जब सोच रहा हूँ कि यार जब मैं 9 घंटे ऑफिस में होता हूँ, जब मैं काम करता हूँ उतना मुझे पैसा मिलता है, जब मैं काम नहीं कर रहा होता हूँ then I'm not making anything. डिजिटल जो एक इकोसिस्टम है, यहाँ पे डिजिटल प्रोडक्ट बिल्ड करने का सबसे बड़ा फ़ायदा ये है कि यू आर whenever you are not even working, उस समय भी whatever you have put out, it's working for you, it's making money for you, and your waking hours are not tied to wage, right? Because जैसे मैंने बताया last week I got sick and I messaged my manager कि I won't be able to make it today, and manager was like no, you have to come. आज रक्षाबंधन का दिन है, आज काफ़ी लोग छुट्टी में हैं, तुमने पहले से नहीं बताया. I didn't know कि मतलब I'll be falling sick on that particular day. No one knows, right? But I was denied outright, and the way I was denied, the words those were used, of course. People can have different moods, people can be at times be immature and all, but still that hurt me a lot. The fact that I'm 30, that I have to, even for a day of leave, I have to inform them in advance for sick leave. So that is something I did not like. So that's also a fuel I'm trying to use for building this. But again, जितनी इंटेंसिटी होनी चाहिए, जितनी ऑनेस्टी होनी चाहिए, उतनी है नहीं, right? I'm not really prepared. I've not done the homework, let's say, for putting out this video, so on and so forth. But ठीक है, it's all right. I'm a beginner in this field, and every master was once a beginner. So I have to do it somehow, and that's what I'm trying to do. And yeah, the thing is, I record videos in the evening or morning time so that there's nice natural sunlight. As of now, it's night time. I did not do much during whole day. I was watching few videos. I was reading book. I was buying groceries and all. Since it's Monday, it's off for me. So yeah, so that's that. Baki, this this idea excites me that you can be a master of your own career where you don't have to exchange your waking hours in exchange of money. So this idea excites me. But yes, there's already a lot of noise out there in the internet world, and I don't want to add noise, right? So this video that I was watching, recording के पहले, उसमें the speaker spoke about being a philosopher builder, right? You जैसे अर्लियर टाइटल्स होते थे जॉब में, दैट वाज ईदर डिज़ाइनर और इंजीनियर. आजकल के जो टाइटल है दैट इज़ मोर लाइक डिज़ाइन इंजीनियर. सो जो ऑपोजिट एंड है स्पेक्ट्रम के, दोज आर कन्वर्जिंग. So you cannot just be a generalist, you cannot just be a specialist. Those things have to converge. So this thing about philosopher builder, where you don't just build for the sake of building, for the sake of money, and you don't just be a philosopher, right? Whereas you are sitting at your place, you are just reading and so on. Those two things have to converge. और मेरा particularly while growing up, my relationship with money was not very positive, was not very constructive. I saw money as something evil, right? जहाँ पे I decided early on कि I will not go after money, but that's not the case. I am doing a job, I have to pay bills, and I think of investment, saving, so on and so forth. So money is present in your life at all points. It's just that you have to be open enough to see it. You have to be sincere enough to admit it. You know, you do need money, and with money as well, you can have positive relation, right? You can use that money to invest. You can use that money to grow. You can use that money to have a better surrounding, right? You can use that money to build a better world, right? You using that money to impart knowledge and things like that, improving others' lives as well. So काफ़ी समय तक इन माई ट्वेंटीज़ जो मेरा आउटलुक था टुवर्ड्स मनी, दैट वाज नॉट वेरी पॉजिटिव, बट एट द सेम टाइम आई वाज इंक्लाइंड टुवर्ड्स reading, not per se reading, but knowledge. So I used to consume a lot of knowledge videos in YouTube, and I was inclined more towards that. I was at one end of the spectrum, and now I'm trying to converge both ends of the spectrum, where I'm trying to be a philosopher builder, where my whole this online thing, digital thing, would be based on sharing knowledge. So so yeah, this thing about a philosopher builder, where I am reading, where I am growing from within, from knowledge point of view. I'm reading, I'm writing, so on and so forth, sharing insights, and all this while building something online, something digital, where I don't have to rely on my job. So I see myself getting getting free from my job in next 3 years, so that by the age I'm 33, I don't have to rely on my job. So that is very important to me personally. And main the core tenet of my digital offering to the world would be knowledge sharing. So the format would be such that I would be taking personal experiences, and I would be sprinkling the teachings, the knowledge shared by all the personalities that have been transformational in some ways or the other. So that is that. Of course, and there's the initial thought, this initial plan behind it. With time, things will evolve, things will change for the better. I will evolve. Most importantly, this personal project is very important to me for my personal transformation. Again, the word discipline. I need to have that in my life. I have spent 30 years of my life in on this planet, and nothing really to show off, nothing really to show about, right? I don't have anything where I can proudly say that invested so and so many years of my life into this. There is nothing to show uh, for that. And that thing at the age 30, it hurts bad. I know. I know there is this no room for regret, right? Earlier, when there was time to work, you did not work. Now there's time to work. Now you are regretting about it. So there's no point doing that. So I read this thing from Musashi that I referred to earlier. So he speaks of no regret, no fear, only fire. So regret is associated with past, fear is associated with the future. So no regret, no fear, only fire. Right. So hence the name of my channel, which is Ink and Fire. So ink is associated with reading, writing, so on, and fire is basically transforming everything that is within into something substantial, something outward, right? It's very important to converge those two ends of the spectrum. You can't simply be reading, writing, and so on. You can't simply be a philosopher. You have to be a philosopher builder, right? Because of course, if you like, you want to be just that. There's no issue with that. People do that as well, along with continuing their job for the rest of their lives. I don't want to do that. कल सॉरी इनफैक्ट आज ही मैं इस बारे में सोच रहा था. आई वॉज स्पीकिंग विद चैट जीपीटी. आई यूज चैट जीपीटी अलॉट. आई रीड इट एज अ पर्सनल फ्रेंड. आई स्पीक टू हिम अलॉट. And I said ki the fact that I'm 30, I want to travel. I want to be in the Amazon, deep in the Amazon jungle, trying ayahuasca. I want to attend a Rio festival. I want to be in Japanese monastery. I want to learn Shaolin in Shaolin temples, China. I want to travel to Australia, New Zealand. I want to see Northern Lights. I want to have Antarctica expedition. I want to see Bhutan, Sri Lanka. There is so many beautiful things to do, and here I am in Gurgaon, and I am stuck with a dead end job, and it's all right. It's all right. I won't regret, and the fact that I have 10 years of experience of my whole 20s where I did not do much productive, so that thing will remain with me. Now the onus is on me to use that as fuel and transform my life from here on. So if the next 1000 days, if I am putting that energy towards something constructive, towards inculcating discipline, my life could be something drastically different from what it is now. And for that, of course, discipline is a nice thing, but it's but it is more important to have that identity shift, right? So instead of thinking ki I have a dead end job, I need to think that I am a builder and I am creating. I am already in that mode where I am creating a life that allows me freedom, that allows me creativity. So this thing that I'm doing, this allows me creativity. This will allow me freedom one day if I am able to persist with my plan. So that was what I was speaking to ChatGPT, and there is so many things. There's so many things to do. So much to explore. So much to travel, and I don't want to stick to a computer screen at my desk in office where I have to spend my waking hours in exchange of money. I don't want to do that. So for that I need to be extremely mindful. I need to understand that the time that I have it's not a currency anymore to spend away. It's already been spent in the last 10 years without having without not having much to show for it. Rather, I have to spend my time as investment capital. So whatever time that I'm spending, that has to multiply, that has to compound, so that it buys me freedom, it buys me more time. My time should be able to buy me more time, right? Not just money. So that's the idea behind it. And just let me see, just a minute. Wow, I've already spoken for 25 minutes. Yeah, that's the thing about it. When you start sharing, so things come out, right? You do not plan everything ahead. You just cannot plan everything ahead at hand. But once you are into it, you know how they say action breeds confidence. Earlier, I was not feeling very confident about it, and now that I took action, I'm gaining more confidence as the time is passing by. So, and by the way, this is the fourth video, and this is the least prepared. I thought my first video would be the least prepared, most cringy one, but this may not be that cringy in terms of speaking and all, but this is the least prepared video. So, last 2 days I did not do anything, whereas I should have put out 2 videos. But yes, I'll make up for it certainly. And I know when I speak to the screen, it's as if I'm speaking to audience, I'm speaking to others. But it all boils down to yourself. You are doing this not for others. You are doing it for yourself. You are ultimately speaking to yourself, and you are whether in seeking all that validation from others through numbers and all, is ultimately you seeking validation from yourself, right? So, and that thing will come with time, that thing will come with time, that preparedness, that validation, that yeah, that validation that I'm seeking from me through you guys, that thing will come with time. And I honestly hope, although hope may not be the right test of words, but yeah, I honestly hope that I continue this, because you know how sad it is when you know that this is something that is going to give you what you want: independence, freedom, creativity, money, everything, and you still don't do it, and then you are grumpy all the time that you don't like your job. It is stupid. But then self-loathing doesn't help either, right? I was reading Dostoevsky a few days back, where the is uh, character is alone. Character is sad because he does not have anyone to speak to, and so on and so forth. So yeah, I don't want to end up something like that, where I am all grumpy and everything, and I'm not doing anything about it. Yeah, reading about such characters might invigorate something within, whereas you are like, yeah, yeah, He is such a nice writer. How well he manages to capture your own thought right through his writing. But no, I don't want to end up like that. But yeah, to be honest, if I don't do anything going forward, I don't change anything going forward, then I'm already 30. I will end up one day doing that. So and there's not just me. There are so many others who may feel the same, who are in their late 20s, early 30s. They are stuck with dead end jobs, and they want to change, but when the time to action comes, they somehow, something within them stops them. They are like, it's not that bad. What's the need, right? But personally, I don't see myself doing this job all my life, and I need to change. And I know I may be being too honest for a video that's to be put out on the internet, but yes, uh, this uh, this journey needs sincerity. This journey needs honesty, and this journey needs courage, right? To be able to forge discipline, you have to have all these things. So yeah, that's pretty much all. I was not very prepared, but I was like, I need to do this. I'll never be prepared if I keep waiting for the right moment. I'll never be prepared. And after having taken this step, as I mentioned, action breeds confidence. So after having taken this step to record the video, now I feel much better after having spoken for 30 minutes about myself. It's more like this session was more like therapy to me. And as I've already mentioned in one of my previous video, that expression, creativity is the highest form of nutrition, right? So whenever I record a video, whenever I put it out, I may not gain traction since there's a beginning phase. I understand this takes time, but with each video I feel better, right? I feel as if I have moved one step closer to the life that I dream of, right? Of course, dreams change, plans change, but still you have to start somewhere. You have to take action, and I think I'll leave it at that. We'll meet soon.